Hey everybody, Justin Senior here. This is going to be a great video. Pay attention. In just 15 minutes, I'm going to be starting from scratch and building a fully automated Shopify store where I'm going to be selling products to motorcycle lovers or bikers. We're going to do t-shirts, apparel, homewares, all of these different great physical products. And the best part is you're going to watch me build this step by step. You could follow along. You don't need any experience. And we're never going to touch these products. We're never going to order them up front. We're never even going to spend a single penny on them. That's the power of print on demand. And this is exactly what I do. I build Shopify Print on demand stores. I teach people how to do it. I've taught over 1,000 students how to build their own 5, 6, and 7-figure stores doing Shopify Print on demand. You'll learn all about it in this video, but really pay attention to the products part. We're going to have a full catalog full of physical products, and we'll never even order them up front. We'll be able to sell them, collect the money up front, and then have everything automated in the background. That's the power of print on demand. Let's jump into it for the motorcycle niche. Here's exactly how print on demand works. You're going to have designs created, or you're going to buy them ready to go, and you're going to take these designs and add them into your store via your print on demand app. I'll show you this. And once you have products in your store, of course, just like any other product, you'll be able to have customers come in, order, and pay. And this is the magical part right here. We're going to be done at this point. Our job literally ends. We collect our profit, and at the same time, automatically, the print on demand partner is going to receive the customer and order information. You're not going to have to send it to them. It happens all automatically. And then they go on to create the product, ship the product to the customer, and provide the tracking number via email. You never touch the product. You never deal with the product. You only pay for the product after the customer pays you. That's print on demand. The first step towards building this asset, we need to build our motorcycle store. We're going to come over here to shopify.justinsenior.com. We're going to click Get Started. This is going to get you a 14-day free trial. You just enter in your store name. Over here, you'll put in an email address and password. This will bring you into your store. This is your home base, your Shopify dashboard. You'll see your orders, your products, all your stats, but we're going to come over here and click Customize Theme. We could also get to it over here, Online Store. And what we need to do is customize the look and feel of our site. And this is what our site currently looks like. We're using the Dawn theme. You want to make sure you have the Dawn theme installed. This is Shopify's new theme. And when we click Customize, we're going to be brought into the theme panel. And you'll see this is what our store looks like live. Here is the theme panel. Literally all we need to do is point and click at different sections and we'll be able to edit them. For example, we have the announcement bar. You see it says welcome to our store. You can put welcome all bikers. We could even change our color scheme up here. So we have some colors, and literally as soon as you make a change over here and save it, you can come over here to the live site, reload it. You see our welcome all bikers announcement bar. So what we need to do is go through all of the different sections, editing each one until we customize and brand our store and get it ready for our print on demand products. We'll move on over here to header. This is where you can put in a logo. I already got a logo created, so I'm going to move or drag that right over here, change the width to make it bigger. When you need to get a logo, you could check out sites like 99 Designs, Upwork.com, Place It. 99 Designs, basically a logo contest, really high-end design work here. Upwork, you could work with freelance graphic designers, and Place It, you can come over here to logos and actually build your own logos. So once you get a logo, you come over here, again, you could size it out here so it looks better, fits in, and again, whenever we save something here, it's going to save on the live site. So we'll continue customizing. I'm going to skip these for now. We'll come back because I want to go to theme settings, then colors, and we're going to go to accent 1. That's going to be your primary color. And you see the blue that we got. What we want to do is kind of find a blue that matches our logo, and we will select that as our accent 1 color. So this is going to be a color used for, obviously, backgrounds you see over here. For buttons, we'll come down to the footer. We'll change this to that accent 1. We start to develop our color scheme from top to bottom over here, right? And we're really just getting started. We're going to come to the image banner. We'll click select image. We'll go to free images, and we could type in our niche. Lots of different free images over here through Shopify. You could also check out a site called unsplash.com. You could type in your niche over here and download some images to use. I'm just going to use the one or one of the ones that they have. They have lots. So we'll save this out, image banner, and we'll come over here and put for motorcycle lovers. We could save this. Got a little subtitle. We'll hide this. Come over here to buttons. We could put something like best sellers or new releases. We could add a second button as well if we want. See, that automatically shows up here. I'll hide that for now, and we'll save it. And again, make a change in the editor. You update it over here. You see it on the live site. So we're really, like I said, just going through section by section. We have over here the talk about your brand. We'll put some text. Made for bikers by bikers. We'll save this. Again, we'll hide this subtitle text. Featured product section over here. I have a little sample product in here. We'll come back to this in a little bit. Collage, I hide this. I don't really like this section. Same with video. I'm going to hide both of these sections. Now we have the 3-column layout over here. I'm going to take this and drag it up right underneath the rich text section. I'm going to turn this into a 3-icon setup. So first I'm going to go over here to the first heading, add some marketing text. I'm going to delete this body text. Then we want to take a look at a site like Flat Icon. There's lots of different icon sites. Flat Icon's a good one. Grab some icons that are commercially available to use. Then you'll take the icon and you'll simply just drag it right over here into the editor. It's going to create this 3-column layout. We'll do the same for all 3. So I added those 3, I saved them over here, and when I reload this site, right, we got a color scheme, we got icons, we have banner images, text, right, we have some sample product. Once we've established some good branding here, now we need to talk about actually adding lots of product to the homepage. Branding is important, but making money is more important. We need to add and showcase product. So we have featured collection. This is going to be some product over here. Now we'll come over here, add an image banner. This is really just going to be for separation of the site. I'm going to turn off all these buttons. We'll come over here. We'll find another free image for us to use. Stock image. I'll select this one this time. And we'll make it a little bit smaller so it fits into our theme. Add another section. We're going to add featured product. Right, we only have that one sample product right now, so we'll add that in here. We'll replace it later. Add section. Another featured collection section here. We could just grab a category. Collections are just categories on Shopify. Showcase more product. Now we'll add the email sign-up box. This is super important. Allows people to add themselves into your email list, which is an asset right on its own. Now in the footer, I typically turn off the middle column. Just go with a 2-column layout, and you'll put in some about us text here, some additional branding, and we'll save that out. Of course, you'll replace that before you go live. So now we want to go and click on the product, because when we click on a product, we'll be brought into the product editor. And you see there's all these different sections over here. This is the product information section right over here. And you see, for example, care instructions, dimensions. Let's say you didn't want to show that. You could just turn off the icon right over here. You see the share icon, the share setting, turn it off. If you want it back, you turn it back on, right? Really easy. These 2 sections are new with these new Shopify 2.0 themes like the Dawn theme. This is going to add more branding, more trust to your page. So we'll come over here, image with text. I'm going to select an icon that I used previously on the home page. Now I'm going to add in some marketing text over here. There you go. So I saved that. We have a little branding section here with some icons. We have some more kind of trust settings over here, or trust setup over here. So we have a nice looking product page, and just like everything else, when we click in the product page, we'll now see our updated product information section, our branding section, our trust icons. So we're really starting to develop a nice looking site. The crazy part is this site's only about 5-6 minutes old, and we're really kind of getting into the meat of what you need to do, right? Brand a site top to bottom and then itemize it with your products, have the different product sections. A few more things I want to show you. You'll notice the contact page is already created. It's got this nice form. We want to go here to pages. We're going to create 2 more pages. First one being FAQs. You'll fill this up with the most common question and answer. This will help you save time on customer service. Now we'll come create another page. This is going to be the monthly VIP club. You could use an app like Bold Subscriptions to set this up. I'm just creating the page so we could add it into the navigation over here, but this would be something where you'd bill people, let's say $25 every month, automatically send them a new shirt. So now we're going to the main menu. We want to add those pages into our main menu. That's as simple as clicking add menu item, finding the page that you want to add. We'll add the FAQs. We'll come back over here, pages. We'll add monthly VIP club, do a little bit of rearranging over here. Now I'm going to save this menu, and we'll continue on to preferences over here. You'll see as we come to the home, you'll see the updated navigation over here. See it says store, library, motorcycle. That was just the name that I entered it. No one's going to see that. We're going to come over here and put motorcycle lovers shop, the best place for bikers. And we'll also use this for a meta description. This is going to be the image that gets shown when someone shares your image on social media. These 2 sections, super important. Make sure you set them up. Google Analytics, Facebook Pixel, both of these accounts are free to set up. Just want to make sure you have these in here. Very important for your marketing. Now we're going to go to settings. You want to pay attention to payments over here. Very important that you have Shopify payments and PayPal. If you can't get both, get as many of these as you can. But ideally, you have Shopify payments and PayPal. Next, we go to domains. You'll notice we have this ugly.myshopify.com domain. We don't want to go live with this, not very trustworthy. We'll come over here to the domain section. You could either connect an existing domain. Let's say you've already bought one. You can connect it there, or you could just simply buy a brand new domain. Whatever you want. You want to make sure you get a .com domain that's nice and trustworthy. Then you come down here to policies. You'll want to click these generate template buttons. This will create these template pages like terms of service, privacy policy, refund policy. Then you'll go through them, edit them so they make sense for your business. Then you'll come back into navigation. This time we're going to go into the footer menu, and we want to add those 3 policy pages over here into our footer menu. So I've got those 3 in it. Now we can reload our site. And again, the site's less than 10 minutes old. We've got a logo, we've got a color scheme, we've got motorcycle related imagery, text, headlines, icons. We're going to replace this with print on demand products in a minute. More branding elements, more product, more product. We've got our email list. We've got our updated footer. We've got our footer navigation links, updated header navigation links. We've updated our product page, really less than 10 minutes of work. And we have an asset that's ready to go with print on demand. So the next thing that we need to talk about, we're obviously going to delete this sample product. Now we'll talk about the print on demand designs and the products that we're going to use to fill up our catalog. So the next step, now that we have a store, we need print on demand designs. And there's a lot of different ways you can get them. My favorite, ecomlibrary.com, you're going to get basically a print on demand design pack of 50 different designs. You get to pick the niche. These are pre-made, ready to go. You could also check out upwork.com, 99designs.com, Placeit. These are all good places also to get designs created. Now that you have your print on demand designs, we're going to come on over to the app section and click customize your store. This is going to bring us into the Shopify app store where you're going to find your print on demand app. I'm going to be using the Printful app for this video. They all pretty much do the same. Free app, you'll come and click add app. It's going to bring you back into your Shopify store where you're going to give permission for Shopify and Printful to basically talk back and forth with each other so everything happens automatically. You click this install app button. Next, you're going to be brought back over to Printful. Prompt you to sign up for a Printful account. I already have one, so I'm just going to log into mine. Last step that you need to do, click confirm connection. This is going to connect your store to Printful, and this is all that you need to do. We're already connected and set up. Now we can click add product. First product I want to show you, we're going to go under men's clothing. We're going to go under t-shirts. I'm going to show you the unisex t-shirt. So this works for both men and women, really popular product. You'll make about $10 every single time you sell this product. So we have our design file. We got this from ecomlibrary.com. We're going to simply just take this design file, literally drag it right on top of this model. And this is creating the print on demand product, even though the product doesn't exist, right? This t-shirt doesn't exist anywhere in the world. We're not paying for it up front. We're not ordering it up front. We're not storing it in any warehouse. Now you see the design right on the model over here. And again, this product doesn't exist, but to customers, it's going to appear that it does. We're going to be able to select a model for the person actually wearing the shirt. Come over here, we can give a title, can select a category as well. Now we're going to come over, set the pricing at $24.99, and you'll see we'll make about $15 margin or profit every single time that we sell this product. And all that we have is this design file, right? We got this design file from ecomlibrary.com design pack. We don't have any t-shirts in stock. We didn't pay for any t-shirts up front. We didn't order any specific sizes or any minimums or anything like that. Printful is creating the product inside of our Shopify store. You see it's already done. I'm going to show you. This is what the customer sees. They come to a site that is fully branded for motorcycle lovers. Now they see a product that they like about motorcycles. They come over here, they'll select their size, they'll add to cart, buy one for them and a friend, click add to cart. And just like that, they're going to wait and receive this product in the mail, just like any other product they would buy online. But for you as a Shopify entrepreneur, you collect your $24.99 per t-shirt. You sit back and relax because there's literally nothing else for you to do. As soon as you make the sale, in this case Printful, they have the print file already, right? They have that design file in their system. When an order comes in, they'll automatically create the product, put it in a bubble mailer, ship it out to the customer. They'll even give the tracking number to the customer on your behalf. You're looking at the power of print on demand. So the strategy is you build this asset, you brand it, logo, color scheme, imagery, text, icons for your niche, and then you fill it up with print on demand products that people inside your niche are going to go crazy for, right? We have a BIKERS code t-shirt. I put it on a sweatshirt as well. We have the Is My Bike Okay hoodie, tank top, right? All these products, they don't exist, right? But customers will come in here. They'll be able to pick their size, add to cart. In this case, you'll sell this hoodie. You'll collect your $39.99. You'll keep your profit. And then Printful will do all the rest of the work, actually producing the shirt, or in this case, the hoodie, shipping it out to the customer, giving their tracking information. Here's why print on demand is the best business model online right now. You could literally build an entire money-making asset with the full automation of products without ever touching the product, without ever spending a single penny on a product. That's why print on demand is just the best. There's so many straightforward ways to market your store and find the perfect customer. For example, Instagram ads, these work incredibly well with really any type of product. Facebook ads, you see over here, I've had insane results on Facebook, spending $200,000, making close to $900,000 in sales. TikTok ads, which are super popular right now. YouTube ads, these always work really well. Influencer marketing could happen on TikTok, it could happen on Instagram. This is a really, really great strategy. Email marketing, of course, is going to work for any type of brand. SMS text marketing, really popular as well. Google Shopping ads, incredibly powerful for e-commerce, really easy to do. And search engine optimization. All of these different ways for you to find the perfect customer, get them to your site to buy your products. These designs were brought to you by ecomlibrary.com. I highly recommend eCom Library. You get 50 designs in any niche that you want. They have over 85 niches. And you get 50 print-on-demand, upload-ready designs for just $47. It's less than $1 per design. You also get step-by-step free Shopify store setup training, so you could literally build exactly what I built over here. Pick any niche that you want from over 85 different niches. Again, you get 50 print-on-demand designs literally ready to go. You just upload them just like you saw in this video. Highly recommended. You see the link directly below this video. But either way, I really want you to jump into print-on-demand, build a store, build an asset, and I hope this helps you make a lot of money.